Pep Tonic, Cellular Energy Recharged. Pep Tonic is an advanced anti-aging superfood drink designed to restore energy, sharpen focus, and support total body vitality. Powered by Puremidine, MitoPrime, Quercetin, and over 50 nutrient-rich superfoods, it works at the cellular level to promote renewal and mitochondrial energy production. This great-tasting daily formula helps you feel younger, clearer, and more energized naturally. 1. Cellular renewal support. 2. All-day natural energy. 3. Brain clarity boost. 4. Mitochondrial health protection. 5. Gut fape, immune support. 6. 50 Face Superfood Blend. Why Pep Tonic? At Pep Tonic, our mission is simple: help you feel younger, energized, and fully alive at any age. We combine cutting-edge nutritional science with powerful plant-based ingredients to create a daily drink that supports cellular renewal, natural energy, and total body vitality. Inspired by breakthrough research in longevity and mitochondrial health, Pep Tonic is carefully formulated with premium, research-backed compounds and over 50 nutrient-dense superfoods. We are committed to quality, safety, and transparency in every batch we produce. With our 90-day satisfaction guarantee, you can experience Pep Tonic confidently and discover what renewed energy truly feels like. What is Pep Tonic, and how does it work? Pep Tonic works by supporting your body at the cellular level. As we age, damaged or worn-out cells can accumulate, and energy production inside the mitochondria naturally declines. Pep Tonic is formulated to help activate autophagy, the body's natural cellular renewal process, which helps clear out old, inefficient cells and support the regeneration of healthier ones. At the same time, its mitochondrial support ingredients help protect and optimize your cell's energy centers. This supports more efficient energy production, mental clarity, and overall vitality. Combined with antioxidants, fiber, and phytonutrients, Pep Tonic works from the inside out to help maintain balanced whole-body cellular function. Who should consider using Pep Tonic? Pep Tonic may be a good option for adults who want to support healthy aging, natural energy production, and overall cellular wellness. It is especially suitable for individuals who feel their energy levels are not what they used to be, or who want additional nutritional support beyond their daily diet. People experiencing mental fatigue, occasional brain fog, or slower recovery from daily activities may also consider it. Those interested in mitochondrial health, antioxidant protection, and gut balance can benefit as well. As always, anyone with medical conditions or concerns should consult a healthcare professional before use. What makes Pep Tonic different from other green drinks? Pep Tonic stands apart from typical green drinks because it goes beyond basic vegetable powders and focuses on cellular-level support. While many green supplements simply provide dehydrated greens for general nutrition, Pep Tonic is formulated with advanced research-backed ingredients like Puremidine and MitoPrime. These compounds are designed to support autophagy and mitochondrial function, two key processes associated with healthy aging and natural energy production. In addition to these targeted ingredients, Pep Tonic contains over 50 fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices, and prebiotics. This comprehensive blend delivers antioxidants, phytonutrients, and fiber that support digestion, immune balance, and overall vitality. Unlike caffeine-based energy drinks, it works without stimulants, helping promote steady energy rather than temporary spikes. Another major difference is taste and mixability. Pep Tonic is formulated to dissolve easily and provide a refreshing flavor, making it easier to enjoy consistently as part of a daily wellness routine. For more details, visit our website given in the description and know the power of Pep Tonic. Thank you.